Hey, what's up guys? So after a flurry of leaks, rumors and couple of teasers, OnePlus has finally confirmed that the OnePlus 11 will be launched on 4th of January in China. Its global release has already been confirmed by the brand that will take place on February 7. We already know how the device will look like thanks to the official teaser videos, but now we have its live hands-on images that basically confirm its design. The design matches with the renders that we have seen in the past, however the renders didn't reveal its front design. But here in this image we can see the device has a curved display and a hole punch cutout in the upper left corner. But if it had in the center, the display would have looked more beautiful. The OnePlus 11 has also retained the iconic alert slider, which is always nice to see. At the back we can see 3 camera sensors housed in a circular module. The main camera is gonna be a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor paired with a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 32 megapixel telephoto lens. This camera setup will take advantage of Hasselblad's technology as well. According to the 10S certification, the OnePlus 11 will have a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that will offer Quad HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit colors and an under-display fingerprint scanner. As it's a flagship device, it will be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. It should be offered in 12 or 16 gigs of RAM and 256 and 512 GB storage options. The device will get its power from a 5000 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging support. The Chinese variant will come with Color OS, whereas the global variant will come with Oxygen OS based on Android 13. But that's not all, as we have information about the OnePlus Ace 2 as well, which is likely to get rebranded as OnePlus 11R in the global market. According to DCS, who is a well-known Chinese leaker, the device will feature an OLED panel with 1.5K resolution. He also adds that the device will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC and will have a 50 megapixel main camera. The device will get its power from a 5000 mAh battery, and of course there will be fast charging support as well. Like I said, it is likely to get rebranded as OnePlus 11R in the global market. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.